Hello everyone, in today's video we will learn how to add text animations in CapCut. We'll learn how to add text to your video screen in various ways. So let's get started. First, start a new project in your CapCut Windows app. Then we will import a video clip so we can learn how to add text in different formats. Here's a video clip from my computer. I will import it now. You can add this video to your timeline by simply dragging it down. Once your video is on the timeline, you'll be able to see and play it back in the preview window. You can see our video is now added. Let's play it to check that it's working perfectly. Next, go to the text section and add the simple default text to your timeline. In the settings window, you can edit your text or type something completely new. After typing your text, you can easily customize its font size, or apply bold, underline, and italic formatting. You can also pick any color from the color palette to match your style. Scroll down to the bottom of the panel to browse through a variety of pre-made text presets. Just click one to instantly apply it to your text. You can easily adjust how long your text stays on screen by extending or shortening the text layer directly on the timeline. If you want the text to appear throughout your entire video, simply drag its edge to match the full length of your clip, or trim it to fit any specific section you need. Let's play the video to see how our text displays on screen. Perfect. You can also easily adjust the text position by simply dragging it anywhere you like on the preview screen. In the text section, CapCut also offers a huge variety of ready-made text effects. Just pick the text style you want, drag it to your timeline, and customize the timing. Then head over to the settings panel on the right to type your own text. It's that simple. You can also explore text templates to give your video a stunning, professional look. Simply add any template you like to your timeline and type in your custom text. From there, you can easily resize it, adjust its duration on the timeline, and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging it around. Let's try another text effect called viral. Just drag this effect onto your timeline, adjust its duration, and type in your text. You can also resize it and change its position on screen by dragging it wherever you like. Let's add another text style and adjust its position and duration on the timeline. Type your text, then resize and place it where you want on screen. If you'd like to rotate the text, scroll down in the settings panel to find the rotation setting. You can rotate it to any angle you need. Finally, let's adjust both text elements so they fit together perfectly on screen. Let's add another text element to understand how layers work on the timeline. Edit the text and adjust its position on screen. Now, you can control which text appears first on the timeline and set the exact entry time for each text element. The more you play around with the timeline, the better you'll understand how positioning, timing, and layering work together. Experiment by adjusting text size, position, and duration to get a solid handle on it. The more you practice, the better you'll understand how editing works on the timeline. Let's play the video. As you can see, we've added 3 text layers and each one appears after a specific interval. Play around with these layers on your timeline to create a stunning video. Our video is ready, and now it's time to export it. Click the export button in the top right corner. Enter a name for your video file and choose the folder on your computer where you want to save it. In the resolution options, you can pick from various quality settings. For the best results, it's recommended to export at a minimum of 1080p. For this demonstration, I'm exporting in 480p just to show you how the export process works, but you can choose whatever resolution fits your project. Now that our video is exported, you can find the final file in the destination folder you selected. Now let's play the video. As you can see, we have successfully created a simple video by adding a video clip and 3 text effects. While this video might not look super impressive yet, it's the start of a great video editing journey. The more you practice, the closer you'll get to perfection in your work. Please subscribe to my channel to learn more about CapCut video editing and hit the like button if you enjoyed watching.